Today, we'll be taking a look at the spark module on this Whirlpool gas range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we've accessed the rear of the unit and we have to remove this back panel here. This is held on by a couple of Phillips screws. We'll get one side done. And then, when you're removing the other side, make sure you push your hip up against it just to hold it in place. And of course, when removing the last one, hold the bottom, make sure it doesn't fall. Grab your plate and set it to the side. Now that we have the panel removed, we have clear access to the spark module down here. Now, the main reason why you would need to access this component would be if your burners are not sparking. So if you are trying to turn your switches on and the burners are not sparking at the top, what you'll want to do is test for voltage first. And to do this, you'll disconnect these two wires right here. And you'll test for 120 volts between these two wires when you are turning on your burners. If you have 120 volts, then that means that your spark module is bad. Now, to replace it, we'll just need to go through and remove all of your wiring. Then, we have two Phillips screws on the top. Just take the first one off, hold it while we take off the second, pull it off and set it to the side. When installing your new spark module, I'm going to start with one of the screws on the side. Line it up and install the first one to hold it in place. Then let's get the second one. Get that mounted. We will start to reinstall our wiring here. Now, because the way that this spark module is, it actually sends spark to all of the burners at the same time, so it is not necessary to label them. Once we have all those in, let's slide in our red on the top, white on the bottom on the right hand side. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, we're going to start on one side, put a screw on the drill. Let's get it in there just to hold it up. Then let's level out, get the other side lined up. And again, put in one screw. Now, let's put in the other four. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.